Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make owl cupcakes. You can make them for an owl themed party, but I used them for a Harry Potter birthday party. So you just make a simple box of cake mix, make your little cupcakes. I put mine in brown liners and I'm just using plain buttercream icing, which I'll have the recipe that I use below. And then you're going to take your Oreos and twist them off, and you're going to use the side with the filling for their eyes and just kind of place it in the middle. Then you could use M&Ms, but I use Reeses Pieces because we like them better and they're all the colors in there that I needed. So you can either use the orange or the yellow for the beak, and then the other side of the Oreo without the icing on it, you can break to make little eyebrows, and you can make them big, little, have them hanging over. I made all different sizes, and honestly they're all pretty cute. I found it was hard to break them like in half evenly. So if you separate all the cookies out first, then you can kind of size them up. And then I took out 2 of the brown Reeses Pieces for the eyes, just putting a little dab of icing, that way they stick to the Oreo. And that is it. So simple. Now I did use an entire bag of the family size Oreos, and that was almost enough. So if you get like 2 bags of just like the regular kind, I think that would work, because you're going to use 2 cookies for each owl. And you can see the eyebrows, I kind of like curved them up, stuck them in there. Now I wouldn't make these too far in advance if I were you, just because the Oreo laying on the icing, it will soften them up. I made them the night before and that was fine. But yeah, just a couple cute little ideas. If you want to see how I made the cake, I will link that below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.